Welcome to my channel. I hope you are having a nice day. My name is Edward. I aspire to be an ophthalmologist in the future. The videos that I will to raise awareness about the importance of eye health. So out of your 5 senses, which one are you most afraid of losing? Your answer is probably your ability to see. Despite this, many people are not conscientious about caring for their eyes and often neglect to visit an ophthalmologist for routine eye exams, even when they should. But before diving in and talking about vision, in this video, let us take a look at the art of seeing and the eye's basic anatomy. The eye is often compared to a camera, but in truth, this optical organ is far more complex and efficient than even the most sophisticated camera. Not only does the eye continuously focus and snap pictures, but it also works with the brain and nervous system and provides virtually instantaneous visual information. And though you can replace even the priciest camera, it is almost impossible to replace an eye because we just can't replicate the sophisticated layers of machinery that control the human eye and connect it to the brain. So to better illustrate this process, imagine you're on a sightseeing tour in New York City and you are gazing upon the Statue of Liberty. What you're actually seeing are the light rays that reflected off the statue. At least some light must be present for you to see the statue. Light rays thrown off the surfaces of the statue first hit your cornea. The cornea is the eye's transparent, protective front layer. Together with the sclera, which is the white portion of the eye, the cornea acts as a barrier against dirt, germs, and other foreign objects that can cause damage to the eye. Fun fact, your cornea even filters out some of the ultraviolet light, but not too much. As light enters the eye, the cornea refracts and bends it inward, accounting for around 2/3 of the eye's optical power. In humans, the cornea's refractive power is roughly between 39 to 49 diopters, depending on the actual curvature of your cornea. Light will then pass through your eye's pupil, which is a black hole located in the center of the iris. The pupil looks black because most of the light that enters it cannot escape. Tiny muscles in the iris, the colored portion of the eye, controls the pupil size and hence the amount of light entering the eye, just like the aperture of a camera. The light then reaches the lens. The lens is a transparent structure inside the eye, controlled by the ciliary body that bends and refracts the light further, forming a clear and focused image on the retina. In comparison to the cornea, the lens can change its shape so that the eye can focus on objects at different distances. In humans, the refractive power of the lens is approximately 18 diopters, or roughly 1/3 of the eye's total optical power. In addition to changing the shape of the lens, the ciliary body also produces a transparent water-like fluid called the aqueous humor that nourishes the lens and maintains the intraocular pressure. Disruption of aqueous humor can lead to glaucoma, which is a sight-threatening eye disease, and we will talk about it in the future. Finally, the light will focus on the retina. The retina is the innermost layer in the eye responsible for the visual processing that turns light energy from photons into 3-dimensional images. It is arguably the most crucial component of the human eye. The retina is fed oxygen from a unique dual blood supply that divides the retina into outer and inner layers for more efficient oxygenation. The retina consists of 6 different cell lines divided into 10 different layers, each playing a specific role in creating and transmitting vision. After absorbing the light and turning it into electrical impulses, the ganglion cells convey the impulses through the optic nerve to the brain. The impulses contain all the objects you see, their size, their shape, their color, position, etc. The brain will decipher the impulses and translate them to images. Although the images on the retina are upside down, the brain will automatically turn it right side up. In summary, your brain and your eye team up to provide virtually instantaneous visual information for you to see. So, there you have it, a basic overview of the basic anatomy of the eye and the art of seeing. This is the first video I've ever made in my life, so forgive me if some aspects of the video need some tweaking. If you have any questions for me or suggestions, leave them in the comment section below. If you want to catch other cool videos, give me a thumb up and press the subscribe button. Otherwise, keep an eye on your health, and I will talk to you soon.